Hi there, so I'm just going to print something special for Mother's Day. As you can see, I've got a 24-point heart emoji along with 36-point letters in the junior machine. So you can see you can fit quite a bit in the machine to print with. So I'm using a credit card holder wallet and some gold foil. So I'm going to print now. And peel the foil away. There you go. Doesn't that look lovely? So not only can you print onto leather goods using the foil craft machines, you can print onto ribbons too for gift wrapping. Let me show you how. Doesn't that look lovely? In this video, I'm going to show you some of the emojis that we hold in stock. So here I've got a little outline heart emoji and a cute paw print. Now these are type height and made to a very high quality. So they're type height so you can use them alongside your letters, as we have done on the satin ribbon and the credit card wallet. As well as the stock emojis, you can also have your own designs made. So if you send us your high quality black and white artwork, no halftones, and avoid very thin lines, we can then produce the emoji designs for you. We can accept the artwork in the following formats, so you've got a JPEG, EPS, PDF or Adobe Illustrator files.